winter weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula Inland, Ashtabula Lakeshore, Cuyahoga, Geauga Lake. Lake effect snow watch in effect from Thursday morning through late Friday night. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a lake effect snow watch, which is in effect from Thursday morning through late Friday night. Accumulations: snow accumulations between 6 and 12 inches in the most persistent bands of lake effect snow. Timing: Thursday morning to late Friday night. Winds, west 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Impacts: lake effect snow will result in difficult travel with poor visibility in snow-covered roads. Temperatures in the teens and 20s. Visibilities will be reduced below 1 mile in the heavier snow showers. A lake effect snow watch means that significant winter weather is possible in localized areas within the next 36 hours. Stay tuned to National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration Weather Radio for further details or updates.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KHB 50.